Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If you are getting the storage space running out warning on your Android phone but you don't see anything large to delete, in this video I will tell you how to fix this problem. So keep the video till then and follow my step to fix the problem. First, when you are facing this problem, then go to your setting and click on the app and delete here from the unused app. Uninstall it. And the second method is delete hidden or junk file. You can go to the Google Drive and create a backup here. After creating the backup, go to the file manager and click on this icon and delete this Android folder. After deleting this, you can check the storage. And the next method is again go to the setting. Now click on the system. Now click the reset option. After creating a backup, delete all the data. So by this way you can fix the storage problem. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel and share with friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.